What made you decide to live PBB? Like what you did to Itbulaga? Iniyakan mo ba?
Ang major iyak ko kasi, Tinta, no mga...
Makukonsider mo ba na ang taong 2022 and 2023 worst years in this business? Naging chaotic talaga sa'yo.
It was one of the most challenging, I would say.
People are judgmental by nature.
I was judgmental.
I have to agree. All of us are
We
judgmental.
are all judgmental.
Yes, yes.
I judge people all the time nung bata ako. But I think it helped a lot when I went through judgment. Hindi kami magkasundo ni Alex. Lagi akong asar sa kanya. Siya din lagi siyang asar sa akin. Hindi kami talaga magtugma.
Paano niyo napili si Pepe among all the leading men na pwede mong pagpilian?
I think it was meant to be.
Sige.
Minsan mapaglaro ang tadhana eh. Pag hindi mo na
Correct.
gusto,
Oo,
pag
tama.
binitawan mo na tsaka ibibigay sa'yo.
Ikaw yung may pagka-formal, tama ba yun? Ang si Alex na is the opposite.
Informal.
Informal.
Formal and informal. Dalawa kami pa
Oo.
magkikita kami. Ang
Yes,
tawag
yes.
sa kanya, ay, si Karen po. Tapos
Oo.
pag makita naman ako, Ate, I love you, Piolo. Accidental lang po yung
Oo.
PBB, tita. Ang main
talaga?
host po nun, si Willie Revillame. Yung parang malit na bagay, triggered ka. Puro ka galit. Tapos matabig ka lang ng konti, natatapon ka na.
Okay.
Out of the
Nabanggit
blue,
mo yun.
tapos parang may impression lang in my heart na yan ang mapapakasawa mo. Eh si Itbulaga pala, nung time na yon, na-shock ako kasi hindi isa-isa yung dressing room. Pagpasok mo ng dressing room, nandun
Nandun
lahat
lahat.
ng host.
Yeah,
So
right.
feel na feel mo yung outsider ka pa.
Yes,
Hindi ka
yes.
talaga belong sa
Yes,
industriya.
yes.
May mga opportunities na lalapag sa harap mo. Tapos nasa sayo, if you're going to settle kung anong meron ka, or you're going to take that risk to move on to the next level. Tapos na-realize ko na your miracle is found not on who left or who abandoned you. Your miracle is found on what's left with you. Don't ever think na tama ka, mali sila. Baka in their eyes, tama sila. Tony, in this life, you have to know which battles you are willing to lose to win the war. Pag nagsimula ka mag-thank you sa maliliit na bagay, makikita mo sobrang daming malalaking bagay na darating na ipagpapasalamat mo. What you appreciate, appreciates. Everything that's happening in your life is not happening against you, it's happening for you. Hi! Ito po si Tony Gonzaga. Iniimbitahan ko kayong lahat na manood ng TikTok with Tita Aster Amoyo every Friday yan, 12 noon.